Hi there, I'm Philip Larman, the creator of Movie Marketing Secrets, the ultimate movie marketing system for independent filmmakers and producers. I'm also the executive producer of 2 full-length feature films, both of which premiered at major film festivals such as Robert De Niro's Tribeca Film Festival and Robert Redford's Sundance Film Festival. Although I am very proud of those accomplishments, the reason I'm here today is to ask you 2 very important questions. Have you ever wondered why some films take off like a rocket ship, receive critical acclaim, and make millions of dollars, while others are like silent farts in the wind? Or why some filmmakers seem to have that magic touch and continue to make hit after hit after hit? Well, if you have, then you're in the right place, and you're definitely not alone when it comes to those 2 questions. As an independent filmmaker, you are witnessing the disruption of an industry that will change the way movies are made, marketed, and distributed forever. And if you are fortunate enough to understand how to leverage this fantastic opportunity the digital world has presented our community, then you know how truly big this opportunity is. And I'm sure you're as excited about it as I am. But if you're one of those filmmakers that have no idea how to leverage technology, the internet, social media, and digital distribution, then you're scared out of your mind right now. Am I right? Well, since 2010, I've been studying and breaking down the film industry, not because I wanted to, but because I had to. If I wanted my films to be more than a silent fart in the wind, I had to learn this business or I would fail. And failing just isn't an option for me. Luckily, what I haven't told you is I'm also a best-selling author and a globally recognized sales, marketing, and business development expert. I was also blessed to have played 2 years of professional football, which, believe it or not, that experience has helped me tremendously throughout this process. The funny thing is, once people find out about my background, the next question is always, Phil, how'd you do it? You don't have any prior experience or contacts in the film industry, and this is one of the riskiest industries in the world. So what's the deal? What's the secret? I truly believe my secret to experiencing quick success is because I leveraged all of my experience and expertise in other industries, and I just used sound business principles. I also didn't have the jaded experience of the way things used to be. I was forced to look at the way things are right now. For example, I can't tell you how many times I heard, Phil, that's just not the way things are done in this industry. And my answer was always, but that doesn't make any business sense. And what I figured out was that was the universal statement for you're about to get screwed. That was a very, very, very valuable lesson to learn. Today, I want to share with you the future of filmmaking. All you have to do is enter your name and your email to the right, and I'll send you 5 free training videos that will change the way you look at how to make, market, and distribute your films for the rest of your career. These 5 videos alone could be worth thousands, if not millions of dollars to you. Whether you're a seasoned pro who needs to understand this new digital world, or if you're a young up-and-coming filmmaker that needs some direction. These videos will teach you things you will not learn in film school or even through years of experience. So the way I see it is you have 2 options here. You can either keep doing what you're doing and follow the old world models of filmmaking and quickly become a distant, broke memory, or you could embrace the change and this new and exciting opportunity you have to take your career to the next level and make more successful, more profitable films and drastically reduce the amount of risk you take on during the filmmaking process. So if your answer is A and you want to go old school and stay doing the things the way you used to do them and the way you continue to do them, all I can say to you is I wish you the best of luck, and only time will tell what happens. But if your answer is B and you want to discover how to leverage technology and learn the strategies that I followed and I continue to follow, then enter your name and your email and I'll send you the first training video. The title of video number 1 is 3 questions you must ask and answer before you make a film. This video alone will save you money, time, stress, and so much heartache. I can't even begin to tell you how important these 3 questions are to you during the filmmaking process. But hey, I don't want to keep you waiting any longer, so just enter your name and your email, and I'll see you on the other side.